Hi, so this program short video is showing you what Telemetry Overlay can do from your GPS camera. I'm going to add gauges as I'm riding along here, but you can see the first one on the left hand side is the total distance of the track the GoPro has recorded. It's 7.3 miles. Now let's add another gauge. You can see there that I've got a dynamic speedo that is actually reading the GPS encoding from the GoPro to show the speedo. Let's add another one. Let's add a dynamic map. This for me is one of the best features. I'm actually using an open source street map there to show the actual street names. How many of us ride and have no idea of where we've been or where we'd like to go again? So the next feature I'm going to add is a compass. You can see it in the top center of the screen. It's really important to realize that I've over exaggerated the size of these gauges, as you'll see later on in the video. The main thing to bear in mind that all of the gauges that I'm demonstrating are infinitely adjustable. Let's add another one and see what it looks like. Okay, what I've done there is a real-time clock. It's a little bit unwieldy with the fact that it's got the date and hundredths of a second coming through, but you can see here that the screen has suddenly changed, and this was what I ended up with. So I've got my active street map, my speedo, and look there at the bottom center, it shows you my lean angle of the bike. It shows how long to the left of that I've been running for, and further to the left, so between the distance and the left hand corner, you can see plus 10 foot, plus 11 foot, plus 15 foot. That's actually the above sea level altitude. All of these can be tweaked. All of them have different designs. I'll put a link up, but the program that I've used to create this is Telemetry Overlay. It's around £100 with various vouchers that are available on the internet. You'll find that there are free third-party applications that do this, but they either watermark the screen or they give you a very restrictive amount of time that you can do this. One of them is Race Renderer, the other is Dashware. I'm using a Mac. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Please think about subscribing.